Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you are good because I'm doing great. Samsung announced the Galaxy M10, M20 and the 30 in hopes to steal the market from Xiaomi, and it might work. The M10, 20, 30 are really good, but Xiaomi is not going to sit and watch. They are going all in. Xiaomi has also told Samsung multiple times like this, don't make a M mistake, and others like these. Xiaomi will be announcing the Redmi Note 7 on February the 28th. The Note 7 Pro is also expected to be announced on the same day. The Redmi Note 7, Note 7 Pro both have 48 megapixel cameras. The regular Redmi Note 7 uses a Samsung ISOCELL sensor and the Redmi Note 7 Pro uses a somewhat better 48 megapixel Sony IMX 586 sensor. The secondary camera is 5 megapixel selfie camera of 13 megapixel. And can you believe me on this? Xiaomi also wrote a little song on this. अपना टाइम आएगा 48 मेगापिक्सल लाएगा सबका सर घुमाएगा इंडस्ट्री पे छाएगा अपना टाइम आएगा. This is really cute. The Redmi Note 7 uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 and the Pro version uses a better Snapdragon 675 processor. This processor is a little bit better than what Samsung uses on the Galaxy M phones. The Redmi Note 7 Pro will be the winner on most benchmarks, but in the day-to-day usage, take my word, the difference will be unnoticeable. Let's talk about the physical looks. The Redmi Note 7, 7 Pro have a water droplet notch and a tiny bottom bezel. We have a stunning looking glass back with a fantastic looking shimmer effect, just like the one we can see in this leaked image. If we compare these to the Galaxy M, from the front, both of them look equally attractive. But from the back, the Redmi Note 7 is a winner. It looks significantly better. The Redmi Note 7 Pro is expected to have 6GB of RAM and a maximum of 128GB of storage. There will also be lower end models like 64GB of storage with maybe 4GB of RAM. The Redmi Note 7 Pro has a 6.3 inches Full HD LCD display. The battery will be 4000 mAh. There is also some sort of water resistance, but I'm sure Xiaomi will not provide any IP ratings. So we are only supposed to believe Xiaomi on that, which I don't. Unless they tell an official IP67 or 68 rating, I will really not suggest you to drop your phone in the water. My last word is that it's good. Really good. But the price, Xiaomi increases the price slowly every year. And now they are coming really close to 20,000 for the Redmi Note 7 Pro, which is a lot. I know it's not Galaxy S10 level money, but still it's a lot of money. Do let me know your thoughts on the Redmi Note 7, 7 Pro. Please subscribe to the channel for every news on the Redmi Note 7 and other upcoming Xiaomi phones. Hit like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all guys tomorrow.
Peace out.